Hey there, Keto Warriors. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss, the custom keto diet. If you've been struggling to find the right way to achieve your weight loss goals while enjoying delicious food, then this video is for you. So, let's dive right in. Before we jump into the specifics of the custom keto diet, let's quickly recap what the keto diet is all about. The ketogenic diet, or keto for short, is a low-carb, high-fat diet that helps your body enter a state of ketosis, where it burns fat for fuel instead of carbohydrates. Now, the custom keto diet takes things a step further by tailoring the plan specifically to your individual needs and preferences. It considers your goals, body type, activity level, and food preferences to create a personalized meal plan that optimizes your results. So, if you've been struggling to find a diet plan that works for you, give the custom keto diet a try. With its personalized approach, delicious meals,